it's like deeper at the same time. So yeah, let's just come up with a better preset. So I'm gonna lower this, and then I'm gonna lower this to have like a deep sound. I can also maybe reduce this for higher frequencies as well. So yeah, let's have a listen to this with the instruments. Hello, what's up guys, welcome to amapianotutorials. Alright, so in this specific video I'm going to cover this logdrum instrument rack. It is called amapianotutorials logdrum 08 bass 2. So this instrument rack is the one you can use, let's say, as a pre-bass, a bass before your logdrum starts. So basically what's happening on this here is when you're using it, you need to pay attention to the green, this blue, and this blue. So it's like we have a sub that is playing, and then this is how we can manipulate that sub in higher frequencies. So for example, let's say I remove this. It's deeper. So let me add this. You can hear if there's like wee. So this affects like the higher frequencies actually. And then moving on to this, so here this is where you get the punch. So if you have this all the way this side, it's like you don't have punch. You see, you just have like this sub like so we can add a little bit of some punch there. You can hear. So, and then moving on here is like, then moving on to the mode is like you just wanna add like a modulation to it, like just to bring some other, what can I say? Oh, I don't know what to say. Okay, let's just say when you crank this, you kind of hear like a whoa on top of that. So which is like a modulation, you see, like an FM. Whoa, so that's what's happening there. And then moving on to this texture beat. So this one, it does like affects like the higher frequencies, and then this one is like the lower frequencies, like the lower frequencies. So for example, if we exaggerate everything, you hear that deep wah, wah, because it is for the lower. This one is for the higher. You only hear the quick. So if you have this amount here, you affect the wah of the lower, and this is how you can also change the octave of that lower sound. You see, so this is like higher octave, and then at the same time you can change for the higher frequencies. You see. See? Obviously we do have like a release if you wanted to release more, and we also have the decay, and we have the attack. You know, if you wanna maybe make it smooth a little bit, and we also have the tone and the spread. This adds like a chorus effect in it. So you can hear it even changed in terms of stereo. So yeah, the tone, higher tone, and then lower tone. Okay, it's like deeper at the same time. So yeah, let's just come up with a better preset. So I'm gonna lower this, and then I'm gonna lower this to have like a deep sound. And then I'm gonna bring back a little bit of some tone, and then I'm going to lower this modulation a little bit. See, we're coming up with a good presets, and then I can actually lower this punch a little bit, and we can bring back this attack so that we have like a normal. I can also maybe reduce this for higher frequencies as well. So yeah, let's have a listen to this with the instruments. Okay guys, so that's it for this instrument rack. The link is in the description. You can just grab it and have fun, play around with the presets, and you can use it to overdub as an overdub of your log drum if you want. All right, thank you.